I recommend that you listen up because this tool will allow you to get paid recurring commissions, monthly installments, recurring installments, or just a simple one-time fee. The best part is you can set this to how you want to go and get paid. And I'm going to go and show you a strategy, exactly how Hustlers University 2.0 and how the founder of this program, Andrew Tate, is making $4 million every single month in reoccurring commissions. No, I'm not an affiliate for Hustlers University. I haven't joined Hustlers University. I'm not talking about it today just to sell you the program. In today's video, I'm going to reveal a little bit about his strategy on how he's getting thousands of people signing up to this Hustlers University every single month and getting hundreds of dollars of commissions every single day. And I'm going to show you the system that he uses so that you can go and use this as well to build a business and to make money online through your own type of program. I'm going to show you how you can go and create your own program, or if you want to, alternatively, how to go and outsource content and put that in your own private membership area and sell this through this tool over here, charging a simple one-time fee, reoccurring, or installments over here. You can completely choose how you want to go and get paid. I created something similar in the past called Drop Servicing University, where I taught people how to create their own online stores and sell higher income skills around the world through their funnels. Now, this was not inspired by Hustlers University, as this was released way before Hustlers University was even created, but it's a very similar type of concept. Over here is a private membership area with all your modules to your specific program, which then people can pay a recurring fee of $30 a month for this program. So for example, if I sign up people to my program from years ago and they still join today, I will still be receiving $30 a month from that person from effort that I've put in years ago. And that is the beauty of passive income. And that is exactly what I want to focus on today's video. I'm also going to show you how I got my TikTok page to over 302,000 followers and how I got my Facebook page to over $20,000 within the first 5 posts, and how to go viral from your first video to get tons of signups to your program. The power of this entire strategy revolves around short video content, as that is what is trending around the world right now. You will see a lot of people on TikTok go viral of the most or from the most silliest of videos and get hundreds of thousands of views every single day. And it's very simple to go and do that. You just need to understand how the algorithms of these short video platforms work so that you can go and utilize that to get hundreds of thousands of views, which is hundreds of signups to your program every single month, which ultimately is passive income. So to go and get started with this, the first thing we need to go and do is we need to come over to this tool over here called Kartra.com. So you can come over to the landing page, Kartra.com. Now, Kartra is a very similar tool to that of ClickFunnels or Builderall if you want to go and create your own funnels, landing pages, marketplaces, membership areas that you can go and sell with your reoccurring checkout system set up. You can go through over to the homepage over here. But if you want to go and get over $5,000 of bonuses with the Kartra program, I'll leave a link down below. All of those are completely for free. I'm just giving away that with Kartra to help you out and give you a kick boost with this affiliate program. So even if you just sign up for the trial and you ever cancel that, or you don't ever decide to pay for Kartra, you can still keep those bonuses for lifetime. So Kartra does have a trial. Once you've signed up to Kartra through the link down below, it will take you to a dashboard that looks like this. Next thing that I want you to go and do is, in order to go and create your own membership area. Now, this is going to be a little bit of nitty-gritty work, but I do recommend follow with me, save this video if you don't have the time to watch this now, and you can always go and watch it later. But you want to come over to My Campaigns over here on the left-hand side of the menu bar, and it will take you to a page where you can go and import done for you campaigns, landing pages, email sequences, checkouts already created for you, so you don't have to go and sit for hours and hours like on WordPress or ClickFunnels or Builderall and create each and every page from scratch. Come over to the campaigns marketplace on the top right over here. If you scroll down and you click on show more, you can have a look at tons of different campaigns that you can go and import to your account. So the one that I use to go and sell my entire e-commerce Drop Servicing University course is somewhere right at the bottom over here. It's called the Ecom Course Sales Funnel and Membership area over here. So this entire funnel does cost $297, but if you want to go and get this completely for free, I'm going to leave a share code on the pinned comment down below so that you can go and get it completely for free. All I recommend is just leave a like on this video. I would really appreciate that. Comment down below that you're ready, or your favorite kind of inspirational or motivational quote, and also subscribe to this channel with the red notification bell on. And also do be careful of the comments. There are a lot of people creating impersonation accounts trying to scam you out of your money. So I will never reply to your comments asking you to WhatsApp me or Telegram me. I don't have WhatsApp or Telegram. So always verify if I reply to your comment that my channel has the verified tick. So over here, once you've then imported this to your account, account, you're going to come over to if you scroll all the way back to the top, click on My Campaigns, click on Import Campaign, and you'll be able to go and paste the share code over here that I've left down below on the pinned comment. Once you've done that, you will see your entire Ecom Course Sales Funnel membership area has loaded over here. So you can go and click on Deploy Campaign, and this entire campaign will deploy to your account, which will then look like this. Go and click on My Pages, click on the e-commerce funnel campaign under the Pages section over here, and you will see each and every page in this funnel. So over here, you'll see if I click on Get Code Link of the home page, I will give you a quick brief overview of what the home page looks like. So this over here is what the landing page looks like. You can go and add a simple description of yourself, a button over here which leads to the checkout, exactly all the bonuses that you'll receive in your program, the final price, and each and every module in this program over here where people can go and enroll now, which is very similar to the sales funnel of Hustlers University. And this entire idea works really well, and this is one of the perfect routes to passive income. There are two ways to go about plugging in your own program into your sales funnel. You can either go and create your own entire program from scratch, which I'll show you how to go and do, or you can go and outsource content from elsewhere. The best way to go and create your own content or outsource your own content is to come over to a website called udemy.com, and you can go and take a whole bunch of free courses over here. So for example, you can search for anything on the search bar over here. I recommend choose a specific category that you want to go and promote these products in before just going and creating some random course. It must specifically be in some kind of niche, as if you have an entire program that teaches about cryptocurrency and then the next module is about office productivity, that's just not going to go and make sense. So let's, for the purpose of this video, go and choose cryptocurrency and blockchain courses under the finance and accounting, and we can go and specifically choose NFTs. So over here you will see a whole bunch of different courses about NFTs, whether it's about how to create them, buy and sell them, or whatever you want to go and learn. If you go and scroll down, go and click on price, click on free courses over here, and you will find a whole bunch of free courses that you can go and download and go and use yourself. So for example, this course over here is the NFT beginner course, create, sell, and invest in NFTs today. We can go and open this up in a new tab over here. We can go and click on enroll now. Simply sign in with your account, go enroll into this program, and you want to go and create this own version of this entire program in your own words. So you'll see over here, most of the modules within this course is how to create an NFT. So they will probably screen record the tool that you should go and use on creating your NFT. Just go and create that in your own way. If you really aren't comfortable with going and creating your own videos, you can come over to Fiverr.com and go and pay someone under the slideshow video sections to go and create and record your entire course for you, which you then just send to them via email or Dropbox from all the videos that you've then got from udemy.com over here. Once you've done that, you need to come back to Kartra.com, come to my membership areas over here, click on edit of your membership area that's now imported from the campaign that you've imported, and under the membership content section, click on launch builder, and you'll be able to go and upload each and every video that you've either recorded or got edited on Fiverr.com in a simple 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 chronological order. And all you do is you just click on video over here and you drag this onto your page, and you can go and upload your video. Then click on number 2, click on number 3, number 4, and just go and upload each and every video in order. The last and final thing you need to do is go and click on my products on your Kartra homepage, click on your membership area product that has also been imported with your campaign. Click on edit over here, click on edit product, click on next, click on save and next, and under the pricing tab, click on save and next, and under the pricing tab, click on change. You can go and click on recurring and choose your price. For example, $29 a month or $19 a month. You can set it to weekly, monthly, every 2 months, quarterly, or yearly. I would recommend just go and choose monthly, as it's the easiest option for most people. Go and click on save, and your product is now ready to go and sell. That is going to lead us to step number 2, is to actually go and convert sales to this. So what I do is I go and create short video content on short video platforms to blow up, get a lot of views, and to get tons of clicks on my link and signups from there. And you'll see over here, all I do is I create simple little 15 to 30 second clips giving simple advice. For example, this one over here was a little video on how I got to my first 1 million views. This little video over here was about This little video over here was about tax. This video over here was the benefits of a credit card. This video over here was about how your money loses value with the banks. So all of my videos over here are simple little short clips. You're welcome to come over to my TikTok and get a couple of ideas, or simply you can just come over to the search bar over here. Just go and search NFT or whatever niche you have chosen, and all these videos over here on the top page you can go and recreate in your own ways. So for example, this video over here, you could just go and create your own version of it. Just say what she's saying and put your own text and go and upload that to your page. You can even go and repost some of these NFTs onto Facebook Reels over here, which also goes just as viral. So I've been experimenting a lot with Facebook Reels recently, and I want to show you something quite epic. My second post over here that I posted got over 500,000 views. This one got 64,000 views, 48,000, 148,000, 800,000, 48,000, 176,000. So these videos are all over 10,000 views. And all I do is just repost my TikToks onto Facebook. And you want to go and do the exact same thing. I've only posted 5 posts on Facebook Reels, and I already have 31,000 people following my page. And all I do is I leave a link to my YouTube channel where I talk more in depth about my program. What you're going to do is just leave a direct link in the bio of your Facebook Reels account and your TikTok account over here. You can also go and do this on Instagram as well and just repost everything onto Instagram. So now you're getting traffic from Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, and TikTok, which is more than 3 platforms, bringing in you a sustainable stream of audience, people clicking on your link, and a sustainable amount of sales every single month. And as time goes by and you get more and more sales, that $30 a month starts to add up and now becomes $3,000 a month with 100 people signed up, and then $30,000, and then $300,000. And that is exactly how Andrew Tate grew Hustlers University's 2.0 over here, using the power of short video platforms. That is why you see him all over TikTok, because his program teaches you about affiliate marketing on TikTok, which then a lot of people repost these TikTok content onto TikTok, getting tons of signups to the Hustlers University. So this is essentially what you're creating over here. So if you want to go and learn more about affiliate marketing, about the power of short video platforms like TikTok, Facebook Reels, Instagram Reels as well, I'm going to leave an entire course on the screen over here that will teach you in depth exactly how to go and create your content, how to lay out your pages, how to create the perfect brand. All of this information over here I've learned from thousands of dollars worth of courses that I've now created for free on YouTube for anybody to watch. So what I recommend is go and choose a playlist over here, and I'll see you over there.